Hello everyone, let's just start to study challenger moves with me. How was your homework? Did you serve your homework? Now black has to capture the corner. If you just try to get into the capturing race like this, it doesn't work. Because after white pushes here, the white can just surround, and when you connect, white can just connect from outside. And even though you just surround, white is faster for one liberty. So it doesn't work. So black has to do something. Black, oh sorry, black had to exchange first. Black can make all the sente until now. White must answer. In case white is just trade here, do you know how to capture for this white? Even now black has to play best move. If you just trade here, it doesn't work. White can just goes here. So now you just need to find out the Tetsuji, and this is the right Tetsuji, how you can capture the white. It doesn't work. The black can just Atari. White, the best answer should be here. At this moment also you need to Atari first, and when he connect, then you can Atari. So white, the best answer is just tiger's mouth. And then after this you can make one time sente, and you have to hane one more time. After you exchange until now, and you can just find out the vital point is here. Yeah, this is how you can capture. And push, hane, atari, connect. White can't really get in. White need to capture first. So you are waiting for this capturing race. What about black just pushes here? It might be possible, I think, here and this one, but this is a little bit not clean. The reason why white might just try to throw in, and when black capture, and he might try to challenge for such kind of a call. If you answer here, and white can make more liberty, capture here, and it's gonna be like kind of a one-step call, but however, if you give the call, it's not the best answer. So okay, then we can study today's questions. White hane here just now, and you must capture this white group clearly. You shouldn't give him call. At the first feeling, I just get to think me to stretch here. If white pushes, then black can block. Their cutting point is no problem, just black can stretch. But after this, white can try to save. Jump may not work. In this case, black can invade. Hane, white can't really block. Black can cut here. So, what can white to do that? White, the best answer is making tiger's mouth. After that, invasion may not work. Black can just black can't do anything. So black's best answer is, however, black need to attach. When white to cut here, it's cool. Yeah, here and then hane. But if you are giving call to white and it's not successful, so what do you want to do that? Yeah, black has to just double hane. And when he cut, it doesn't mean we are saving this one stone. If you save that, the corner value is very small. White can break all of your left hand side. So your best decision is making one stone heavier. If we capture, then you can make all the sente. For this shape, white cannot make any two eyes. Even though white tried, you can just capture. So white can think about to just stretch out. Then you can just make the tiger's mouth while conning, and wait for him to capture, and you can make the net. And that's it. Yeah, white cannot make two eyes. Okay, next question. Black 6 stones are in danger. You must save black. So what's your first feeling? If you are giving up this one stone, something like this, after you exchange, you can't make anything. So then how about you just save this one stone first? After this exchange, I guess probably you will see the vital point. Yeah. So this is the vital point that we can see. But you know, if you read until now, I can't say you read perfectly. You have to continue to read until the end of the variation. White is gonna connect when you push up, the white can wedge. Yeah. And then cut will not work. You know, white is faster than black. So black must Atari here. After that, even though you can't surround, yeah, because white can throw in one time and capture the black. The black can think about to make more liberty with the connecting. It's possible to make more liberty, but the problem is that these two stones are captured first. Then lastly, the black can try to think about to connect, but even now white can throw in one time and this capturing race is not working for black. So something was wrong. If you found out until now, then you can realize that something was wrong. The reason why when we shouldn't exchange anything and don't touch anything and just play here. This is the right order. And when white block here, and then you can just connect. Then it's simple. You know, white cannot really save here. Yeah. So this might be the best trading for white. Then succeed. What about just another way? White can just try to challenge you for the capture. But this time, you know, black has a much more liberty compared to just now. You can just cut here. When it's saved, then you can capture 3 stones. So this time, what you can learn from this question is that you shouldn't have some exchange first. You have to leave it and just try to beat the vital point first. Yeah. Okay, so any other variation? I think nothing special. In case white to do something, however, black can just connect. Yeah, it's simple. Okay, then this is today's your homework. Now, black 2 stones are in danger, right? If you are thinking to just have a sacrifice and surround the outside, that will be good, but it's not the best because instead of surrounding, if you can capture the white group, then that's the best. Of course, if white want to save 3 stones, then you may not capture this group, but capturing 4 stones are good enough, and it will be much better result. So please enjoy to study for this question, and it can make you to improve your reading skill and even feeling and hangma and tetsuji and many things. Yeah, and as I told you, for the hangma, I think tetsuji and hangma is possible to study the application. Yeah, of course, the best way is always tetsuji and hangma and life and death. If you can study by book, which is no written for the correct in the next page or in same page, then that can be better because you can just keep think. When you are thinking, you are improving. Yeah, when you are watching the correct solution, then it doesn't mean we are improving for our reading skill. Yeah, I told you already many times because somebody still asks me, yeah, may I study the question by mobile phone or computer and application? Yeah, still I'm hearing, but yeah, I told you that all the strong player and were the top player, and they never studied with application because they are studying by paper because they can read both sides. Opponent reading, opponent best move, my best move. And when you are thinking, just like, you know, I'm showing you all the variation to you guys, but if you are keep studying, and one day some variation is not necessary to read in your brain because already you will know that the correct answer even if you don't read. Of course, it takes quite a long time, but you will feel that step by step you will growing up for your reading skill. So please study. When I see this, so show you the variation. If you are just keep reading the step by step, then one day you don't have to read some variation that I'm showing you, because I have to give you the progress for you guys, so I'm just showing you the very detailedly. Yeah. Okay, everybody. So today also I taught you how you can study for your reading training. If I'm telling you the one message, which part is most important if you choose the only one skill for the Baduk, and I can say reading. Reading is the most important. Going to big place and hangma and some counting for the territory. Other part you can improve by understanding, but reading part is not understanding. This is just like repeat, and your reading will be deeper. And even when you see when you are listening some explanation, then you can catch up much faster if your reading is strong enough. Yeah. Okay, everybody, but this is not what I'm saying. All the people and my teacher and yeah, all the strong players are thinking like that. Yeah. So enjoy to study for your reading training. And see you guys next time. Bye. Please like and subscribe.